that sugar sweet. You got what I need. Sipping on the potion. Hey, Lazy Girl Proof fam. I am back today with another wig review. Today is the last day of my staycation. So my son is off with his friends having fun. He still has another week of fun out here on the East Coast, but I have to go back to the grind. So I wanted to get some things reviewed today before I get back into the work mode. And I wanted to give you guys some affordable options. So this one is only $12. And it is summer, it is a summer unit. So it's been stupid hot and humid here. I don't think I want to put along anything on my head. So let's take a look at this lady. It is Motown Tress GGC-MARI, MARIST2 purple. And it is curlable, so it is heat safe, which is great for $12. So let's get her out of the package and see what she looks like in real life, out of the package, on my head in a minute. Let's check her out. All right, here is the card. She is 12 inches, and the color shown on there is soft copper, but it does come in a bunch of different colors. What do we have? We have 11B, 44, 51, deep red, F1B 30, soft blue, soft copper, this one, and TL99J wine. That soft blue might be cute, but it probably doesn't have a dark root, so for 12 bucks, you know, soft blue may not be the way to go. Looks like this is a purple in the bangs. So this is, I think, going to be a cute unit where it's not too much color. Like I might be able to wear this to work or for work conferences. I work from home, so it's not like I'm wearing it to work, but I have to be on camera usually a couple times a week. Here's the inside of the cap. There are no combs. It does have adjustable straps. It's open wefts in the back and then closed cap in the front. And it does say iron safe up to 400, which I think I already said. So let's put her on. Okay. I'm going to wear a darker wig cap because this is a dark unit. It doesn't really matter. Sometimes I wear a darker unit when it's lace so that you don't see that demarcation of where the wig cap is, but this is a full cap, so it doesn't matter. Okay, now we know for sure it's not my hair sticking out of there. This is cute. The only bad thing is my mom has this type of haircut, and I don't really want to think of my mom when I'm wearing a wig. For those of you who don't know, I do not speak to my mom, and some of you probably don't understand that because a lot of people are like, life is too short, blah, 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 but she's super toxic, so. Okay, so she's super cute. I mean, she's 12 bucks, so I'm not expecting much, but she's got a nice little, like a salon cut here. She's super light. It is hot. I mean, I'm in the air conditioning, but it's just, I'm standing next to a sliding glass door, so it is still like hot, and it's just humid, and you can't, it's just humid. You can't get away from it, even if you're inside. It's like you can still feel it. It's like 97% humidity here in Virginia today, so. Let's see. So she's not going to need any product at all. She's not going to need a hot comb. She's soft. She's not like silky, but she's really soft. You can feel the texture, and I know somebody had asked, like, can you describe the texture better? Because all hair is textured. This is true-ish. I mean, I guess no texture is also a texture, or silky or what have you. So usually when I say textured soft, it usually means yucky, like light yucky, etc. But I'll try to be better. I'm not a cosmetologist, so I try to just not say incorrect things. But that's why also I give you guys a close-up so you can see it kind of for yourself. So if you're wondering what the texture looks like, I know some people are really particular. Like I try definitely not to appropriate, you know, texture that wouldn't match my own. Sometimes you can't tell with the pictures, but you know, when you're ordering it or what have you. So I totally get that a lot of you are very specific about the texture, as am I, just so that we're not appropriating. So it's super cute. It is light yucky, but you have to really get up close to it to see if you can see it, the texture in the hair. Nice and light. Love it for summer. Love it. There's not a ton of color. It's in there, and I have it pulled back, so I would probably want to cut the bangs. If I put it where it's supposed to be on my head, it would be there. And if you aren't familiar with bang units, most of the time, especially if you have a small head, you're going to have to cut the bangs or wear it back like this. With this, I can wear it back because the bangs are thick enough that you can't really see my wig cap unless I like put it to the side, and then you can see it. So personal preference on whether you want to actually cut them or just pull it back on your head. I like the pop of color. It's like just enough fun. Just enough fun. I would have liked some pops of color maybe in the front as well, but again, 12 bucks. What do you want? I'm going to do a spinny spin, and then I'm going to take it off my head and measure it. It feels tight on my head, but with a wig grip cap on, sometimes it's hard to tell for sure whether it is or is not big head friendly, because my wig grip cap does really well at keeping it on. It feels like you can get some bulk in there, but I just want to make sure. So let's do a spinny spin, and then I will measure the cap for you guys, and then we'll do final thoughts. Let me be something you wanna keep in your head. If I ain't your girlfriend, I won't let go of your hand. Yeah, in this point, 'cause you never see me, I'm better than you thinking you. You're not very simple, you. Yeah. Hold me to the waist, baby, touch me on my skin, or just love me. Let me be something that you never imagined. Hold me to the waist, baby, touch me on my skin, or just love me. Let me be something that you never imagined. Okay, so I just measured it. It is on the smaller side. It's like 21.5-ish. It does have elastic adjusters, so you can adjust it down. That was it with it all the way open. But keep in mind, you can still get a big head in this because, or a lot of hair, because these bangs are pretty long. Let me see where so they're like this long. So you have a lot of bang to work with, where you can, if you have a larger head, it will work. And then if you have a smaller head like me, you can just cut the bangs. Or just pull it back like this, either way. It's not giving me that like egg head, where if you have a small head and you pull it back, it does like this egg head thing. It's not giving that to me. So that's great, especially for 12 bucks. So she is textured soft. She's 12 inches. She's heat safe up to 400 degrees. This is the black and purple. Not a ton, like you can probably play with the bangs and get some of this purple to stick out, but it's not like a ton. So it's just a little pop of color. I think it would be cute in different colors, you know, different natural colors is cute. It's just a super, I was expecting less for 12 bucks. Like it is not, obviously it's not a super high-end unit, but it's not like a cheap, crappy Amazon one or Wish or, you know, what have you. It is a decent quality. And it's light. The density, it is trying to be more towards the medium. It's not like so light where you're gonna see the wig cap through it. So it does have a little bit of density, a good amount for a short, straight wig. So there's been no tangling. The shedding, there's like 4 hairs. Shouldn't be too bad. I've brushed through it a couple of times. It's just overall, it's just a easy and affordable throw on and go unit. Perfect for the summer. You can wear it anytime, but I really am not trying to wear long anything right now in this heat. So let me know what you guys think about this wig in the comments. I have another shorter one that is actually like a lavender, closer to like the one that I had on, this one. It has the lavender on the top. Same Motown Tress, same line, if you will, and also affordable. So I'm going to record that one next. I don't know which order I'm going to upload them, but and then I have a couple more to do after that. So thank you, as always, for hanging out and spending time with me. I will see you guys again soon. Bye, guys. Let me be something